don't, doesn't, ug didn't. Mao ni sila ang mga contraction sa words nga do not, does not, ug did not. Magsugod ta sa word nga don't. Ang kaning don't, mao ni siya ang negative form sa do. For example, they don't like volleyball. Doesn't. Ang kaning doesn't, mao ni siya ang negative form sa does. For example, she doesn't like him. Didn't. Ang kaning didn't, mao ni siya ang negative form sa did. For example, she didn't like the food yesterday. Sa present tense, mogamit ta og do ug das kung positive ang atoang sentence. Pero kung negative, mogamit ta og don't ug doesn't sa present tense. Kung past tense, mogamit ta og did kung positive ang sentence. Pero kung negative, didn't. Alright, thank you.